Bonjour, c'est Claire at French in the Midlands. I just want to address a mistake that most students make, and they are students who are native English speakers. They tend to say je me sens, and they use it way more than we use it in French. Now, just before we start, I want to mention briefly, you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's full of tips on how to speak French like a native speaker. First of all, do not use se sentir in the following situations. When you want to say I feel tired, because in French you would say je suis fatigué, I am tired. You would not say je me sens fatigué because it's not an impression, you are tired, so it's a fact. Same for elle a froid. You wouldn't say elle se sent froide, that does not mean anything. It's not an impression. She doesn't just feel cold in French, she is cold, therefore elle a froid. You would say she feels cold. Il est triste. You wouldn't say il se sent triste to say he feels sad, because he is sad. Equally, you would say j'ai mal au cœur to translate I feel sick, not je me sens malade. You can use se sentir in the following situations. Je me sens pas bien. I don't feel well. I don't feel too good. You would use je me sens because it's something you feel. You feel something's not right, but you've not had confirmation you were poorly, for instance. So it's still at the stage of je me sens pas bien. I don't feel well. Another interesting use of se sentir is when you say on se sent à l'étroit dans la caravane. We feel a bit cooped up in the caravan. We have the impression of being cooped up. It may be true or not. In the case of a caravan, it probably is. But that's always subjective. So that's what when you would use se sentir. And also, I'm giving you a set expression which I quite like, which uses se sentir. Il se sent plus, celui-là. That guy is full of himself. Literally, he doesn't feel himself anymore. It's quite a funny one, I really like it. And that's it for now. Give me a like if you've enjoyed it and subscribe if you're not part of the tribe already. And I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt!